Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Amitabh Brevi. In the Jessica Lal murder case, the Delhi High Court has decided that hostile witnesses, Bollywood actor Shayan Munshi and Prem Sagar Manocha, a ballistics expert, should face a perjury trial. 17 other witnesses have been let off in this high-profile case. Nia Khanna spoke to the lawyer of one of those who have been let off.
A very significant order has been delivered by the Delhi High Court today, which has ordered that two key witnesses in the Jessica Lal murder case will now face trial for perjury in the lower court. These are actor Shayan Munshi and ballistics expert Prem Sagar Manocha. To talk about that, I'm now joined by Mr. Amit Chadha, who is the lawyer for one of the other 17 witnesses who've in fact been discharged in this case. Sir, firstly, how significant is this order?
This is quite significant because it will definitely give a strong message to the society, and at the same time this Honorable Division Bench has even referred the matter to another bench and has given directions that it be treated in the form of a PIL in respect to the witness protection program, so that in case in future the people restrain themselves from coming forward. So once these guidelines are in the fray, so people will have a more secure atmosphere and
in fact, witness protection program is something that's always talked about so much in the context of criminal trials. Also, sir, talking specifically about the role of these two men who will face perjury charges, what are the grounds on which this order has been delivered?
See, as far as Shayan Munshi is concerned, he was basically the complainant in this matter and on whose instance the FIR was lodged. Later on in the day, when he appeared in the court, he retracted from his statement completely. So this was the ground on which he has been, this matter has been referred to be prosecuted under 340 CRPC. And as far as Prem Sagar Manocha is concerned, he was the ballistic expert. He has lodged two gun theory, and this was the reason why his matter has also been referred before the Magistrate court to be initiated in the 340 CRPC.
Right. Sir, finally, how much, what is the quantum of punishment that these men could actually face?
See, under perjury, it can be up to 7 years. So now it is for the trial court to see how the trial process takes place and what is the evidence before the trial court that the prosecution will prove.
Alright, so thanks so much for speaking to us. Of course, it's not very often that we see hostile witnesses facing perjury charges. Of course, the last time we saw something like this was in the case of Zahira Sheikh, the high-profile witness in the Best Bakery case related to the post-Godhra riots. She was sentenced to 3 months in jail, and as the lawyer just mentioned, it's up to the discretion of the judge really, but the maximum sentence under this section of the Criminal Procedure Code is actually 7 years. A significant order that will perhaps go a long way in facilitating the government's witness protection program. In New Delhi, Neha Khanna for NDTV.